Good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for Tuesday, August 19th. Not a whole lot going on. Totally doldrums of summer. It'll be over in a couple weeks, though. We did get some housing data early this morning here in the States. Housing data and CPI, I believe. CPI came in flat, and new housing starts beat to the upside, surprised the street. You have to wonder, though, if the home builders are overly optimistic, considering the fact that mortgage applications is at a 14-year low. So you have to wonder if those home builders are overly optimistic, or if the consumers just haven't realized they need to buy a house. So I have to tend to believe the home builders are overly optimistic. They've done it before in the past. They're not always the best at seeing the future for housing. At times they look like geniuses, sure, as housing continued to go, from the mid 90s to 2006, 2007, home builders look like geniuses. But a monkey could have looked like a genius. You could have shown a monkey a couple of pieces of land and told him to choose one and build a house, and it would have sold, because it didn't matter what you chose or what you built. So I tend to believe the mortgage applications is a better indicator than the actual builders of the homes. But maybe we're wrong. Anyway, not a whole lot. Like I said, 2 trades, pulled out 5.9 pips. One was last evening, Australian dollar, US dollar, the one that you're looking at here. We were short this 0.93286. Covered, covered last evening. Picked up 8.4 pips, 4.2 when you adjust it for size. It was ahead of any news that was coming out from Australia, so you had to know the news was coming out. If not, you could have got squeezed here. Although you still wouldn't have gotten stopped out, because it's only about 12 pip loss. And as it turned out, things reversed this morning, and if you're still holding now, it's a great trade. You're making some coin for yourself. Second one was a short in US dollar Swiss franc, which was late last night. We put it on late last night, 0.90684. We covered it early this morning when we came in the office around, maybe quarter 8 or so. You had to know, again, at 8:30 there was the CPI and housing data coming out here in the States. We weren't going to risk the news coming out and being in the position. So we covered, picked up 3.5 pips, equivalent to 1.7 in size adjusted. So again, not a great day. Better than losing. Just not a whole lot of action out there, unfortunately. We do get some more data later this evening and tomorrow, so you never know. These things can pick up at any time. Depends on what that data is, and if there's a surprise one way or the other, which is big enough. You got a lot of guys off the desks, a lot of head traders off the desks on vacations, especially towards the end of every week. Thursday, Friday, they split early if they are at work. They leave junior traders on the desks, and they really don't let them make huge decisions. So it's typical summer action. You don't get like I said, you just don't get a lot of action. No one's going to take huge positions or initiate a huge position in the summer. If they're going to initiate a position, it's going to be on the small side, and then if they want to add to it, they're going to do so in the fall, or they're going to reevaluate things in the fall and go from there. So that's it. Like I said, 2 trades, 5.9 pips. Adjusted for size, so pretty decent. And we'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action. If you're looking for signals, they'll be coming out. If they do come out, they'll be coming your way. If you're trading now, good luck. Have a great day.